This is a knockdown ceiling, but what happened here, it was a water leak from the pipes. So you can see the damage there, but we don't have to replace anything because this is a plaster ceiling, it's not drywall. It's not drywall, so what we're gonna do is skim over the 16 knockdown, and then we're gonna respray a new knockdown texture. You can see this is the first coat of mud. See the difference there? That's Ezekiel there, is the one skimming. And we have Robert right there scraping the loose texture so we can skim over it. Once we are done with the first coat, we're gonna do another light coat, and that will be ready to spray a new knockdown texture. There were some cracks in the ceiling too. Those are already covered. The reason why we're doing the whole ceiling is because blending a patch is always noticeable. So that way we have a uniform texture in the whole entire ceiling.